Hello everyone សួស្តីអ្នកគ្នាជួបខ្ញុំមកទៀតហើយនៅមេរៀនទី7ដែលនិយាយអំពី animals មានន័យថាសត្វពាហនៈបង្រៀនអ្នកខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Khat ចំនួនបើបងប្អូនចង់រៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសតាម YouTube សូមវាយពាក្យថា Channoeun Khat បងប្អូនទទួលបានមេរៀនជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសពីអ្នកខ្ញុំតជាបន្តអញ្ចឹងដើម្បីឲ្យកាន់តែច្បាស់នៃពាក្យជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសមួយយើងមកមើលរូបភាពនៃសត្វទាំងអស់គ្នាតោះ let's go ចានេះគឺជារូបភាពនៃសត្វពាហនៈនៃសត្វដែលយើងនឹងតែនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្រៀនដល់អ្នកគ្នាឥឡូវនេះបន្ទាប់ពីយើងបានមើលរូបភាពនេះមកចានេះជារូបភាពនៃសត្វមានជាច្រើនអញ្ចឹងដើម្បីឲ្យកាន់តែច្បាស់នៃពាក្យនីមួយៗយើងមកសិក្សាពីទាំងអស់គ្នាអូខេ let's go lesson 7 minute ទី7 vocabulary សិក្សាពាក្យ bird ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វចាប cat ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វឆ្មា dog ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វឆ្កែ crocodile ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វក្រពើ cow ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វគោ duck ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វទា elephant ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វដំរី fish ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វត្រី giraffe ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វកវែង hippo ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វដំរីទឹក horse ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វសេះ lion ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វតោ monkey ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វស្វា penguin ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វ penguin pig ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វជ្រូក rabbit ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វទន្សាយ sheep ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វចៀម tiger ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វខ្លា bear ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វខ្លាឃ្មុំ polar bear ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វខ្លាឃ្មុំតកក goose ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វក្ងាន cock ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វមាន់ឈ្មោល hen ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានថាសត្វមាន់មេ fox ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វជ្រូង wolf ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វឆ្កែព្រៃ ox ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វប្រើស mouse ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វកណ្ដុរ frog ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វកង្កែប kangaroo ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វកង់ហ្គូរូ ant ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វស្រមោច dragonfly ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វកន្ទុំរុយ grasshopper ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វកណ្ដូប owl ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វទីទុយ deer ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វក្តាម turtle ថាពាក្យជំនាញមានសត្វអណ្ដើក bee tại vì chỉ niệm sạch không mồm. Ladybird, ladybird, tại vì chỉ niệm sạch âm đàn mía. Worm, worm, tại vì chỉ niệm sạch bằng cớ. Fly, fly, tại vì chỉ niệm sạch rối. Mosquito, mosquito, tại vì chỉ niệm sạch mút. Butterfly, butterfly, tại vì chỉ niệm sạch mềm báo. Snake, snake, tại vì chỉ niệm sạch búa. Buffalo, buffalo, tại vì chỉ niệm sạch rộp bấy. God, God, tại vì chỉ niệm sạch bờ bé. Camel, camel, tại vì chỉ niệm sạch ốt. Now the time to ask and question and answer. Đó là mong xua hay nông tra sùn nô. Chẳng nhưng cũng ở khát bê cho mong xua hay nông tra sùn nô ta học lấy cho mình khi nhóm. Ta, let's go. Number 1. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc ở với. This is a bird. This is a bird. Ní cái chi sạc chàng. Number 2. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc với. This is a cat. This is a cat. Ní cái chi sạc chàng. Number 3. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc với. This is a hen. This is a hen. Ní cái chi sạc mèo mê. Number 4. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc với. This is a cow. This is a cow. Ní cái chi sạc cô. Number 5. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc với. This is a dog. This is a dog. Ní cái chi sạc sky. Number 6. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc với. This is a duck. This is a duck. Ní cái chi sạc tia. Number 7. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc với. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Ní cái chi sạc đầm rầy. Number 8. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc với. This is a fish. This is a fish. Ní cái chi sạc rầy. Number 9. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc với. This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. Ní cái chi sạc cổ vẹn. Number 10. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc với. This is a hippo. This is a hippo. Ní cái chi sạc đầm rầy tạc. Number 11. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc với. This is a horse. This is a horse. Ní cái chi sạc xe. Number 12. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái sạc với. This is a lion. This is a lion. Ní cái chi sạc tàu. Number 13. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc với. This is a monkey. This is a monkey. Ní cái chi sạc phà. Number 14. What is this? What is this? Ta ní cái chi sạc với. This is a penguin. This is a penguin. นี่คือชื่อสัตว์เพนกวิน Number 15 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือสัตว์ไว้ This is a pig This is a pig นี่คือชื่อสัตว์จรู Number 16 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a rabbit This is a rabbit นี่คือชื่อสัตว์ตันทราย Number 17 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a sheep This is a sheep นี่คือชื่อสัตว์เจียม Number 18 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a tiger This is a tiger นี่คือชื่อสัตว์กลาง Number 19 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is an ant This is an ant นี่คือชื่อสัตว์สมอ Number 20 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a bear This is a bear นี่คือชื่อสัตว์กระโมง Number 21 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a bee This is a bee นี่คือชื่อสัตว์ขโมง Number 22 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a buffalo This is a buffalo นี่คือชื่อสัตว์กระบอย Number 23 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a butterfly This is a butterfly นี่คือชื่อสัตว์ไม่อมบาย Number 24 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a camel This is a camel นี่คือชื่อสัตว์โอ๊ต Number 25 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a cock This is a cock นี่คือชื่อสัตว์หมอนชโม Number 26 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a crocodile This is a crocodile นี่คือชื่อสัตว์กระพือ Number 27 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a deer This is a deer นี่คือชื่อสัตว์กระดาน Number 28 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a dragonfly This is a dragonfly นี่คือชื่อสัตว์กันตุ่มโรย Number 29 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is an elk This is an elk นี่คือชื่อสัตว์เรือ Number 30 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a fly This is a fly นี่คือชื่อสัตว์โรย Number 31 What is this What is this ตอนนี้คือชื่อสัตว์ไว้ This is a fox This is a fox นี่คือชื่อสัตว์กันโจร Number 32. What is this? What is this? Taនឹងគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a frog. This is a frog. នេះគឺជាសត្វកង្កែប Number 33. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a goat. This is a goat. នេះគឺជាសត្វពពែ Number 34. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a goose. This is a goose. នេះគឺជាសត្វកង្ហាន Number 35. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a grasshopper. This is a grasshopper. នេះគឺជាសត្វកណ្ដូប Number 36. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. នេះគឺជាសត្វ kangaroo. Number 37. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a ladybird. This is a ladybird. នេះគឺជាសត្វអណ្ដើកមាស Number 38. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a mosquito. This is a mosquito. នេះគឺជាសត្វមូស Number 39. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a mouse. This is a mouse. នេះគឺជាសត្វកណ្ដុរ Number 40. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is an owl. This is an owl. នេះគឺជាសត្វទីទុយ Number 41. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a polar bear. This is a polar bear. នេះគឺជាសត្វខ្លាឃ្មុំតកក Number 42. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a snake. This is a snake. នេះគឺជាសត្វពស់ Number 43. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a turtle. This is a turtle. នេះគឺជាសត្វអណ្ដើក Number 44. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a wolf. Sorry. This is a wolf. This is a wolf. នេះគឺជាសត្វឆ្កែព្រៃ Number 45. What is this? What is this? តានេះគឺជាសត្វអ្វី This is a worm. This is a worm. នេះគឺជាសត្វដង្កូវ Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel YouTube. ចា៎ជាចុងក្រោយខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណសម្រាប់ការតាមដានទស្សនានៅវីដេអូរបស់នាងខ្ញុំសូមជួយចុច subscribe ហើយនិង like ជួយ share នៅ channel របស់នាងខ្ញុំម្នាក់មួយផងដើម្បីជាការលើកទឹកចិត្តដល់នាងខ្ញុំក្នុងការធ្វើវីដេអូថ្មីដើម្បីចែករំលែកដល់អ្នកគ្នាជាបន្តចា៎ជាចុងក្រោយខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលា